There's a black paste forming inside your engine right now. It is thick, toxic, and it has been building up for years. Every month it spreads further through the oil channels, choking the valves, suffocating the bearings. It is killing your engine in slow motion. You do not see it. You do not hear it. Not yet. But it is happening right now inside 289 million cars across America. When the engine finally starts complaining, you hear the tick, feel the power drop, watch the oil disappear between changes. You take it to the mechanic. The mechanic says your engine needs a flush and the price is $200 to $500. What does he actually do? He opens a bottle that costs $3, pours it into your engine, lets the car idle for 5 minutes, and drains it. $3 of product, 5 minutes of work, $500 on your bill. The oil change industry in the United States generates over $11 billion every single year. Engine flush services are among the highest margin upsells in the entire automotive aftermarket. Profit margins of 80 to 90% on a procedure that requires zero technical skill. And the only thing standing between you and doing it yourself has never been knowledge. It has been information they made sure you never found. This is the story of a $3 bottle that makes a $500 service completely unnecessary. And why the entire quick lube industry prayed you would never see this video. Welcome to Forbidden Camping. If these stories matter to you, the subscribe button and the bell are the best way to preserve this knowledge. This is where we crack open the vaults that the industry locked shut. To understand why this $3 fix works, you need to understand what is actually happening inside your engine. Every car engine runs on oil, heated to temperatures between 200 and 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Over thousands of heating and cooling cycles, the oil molecules begin to break down. Those degraded molecules combine with moisture from internal condensation, carbon from combustion, and microscopic metal particles from normal wear. The result is a thick, dark sludge that deposits itself on the walls of oil passages, around the valves, and deep inside the crankcase. Engineers at the Society of Automotive Engineers published research showing that sludge accumulation begins as early as 30,000 miles in engines running conventional oil. By 75,000 miles, most engines show measurable restriction in oil flow through critical passages. By 100,000 miles, the buildup becomes severe enough to cause lifter tick, that irritating clicking sound you hear on cold mornings. The American Automobile Association released a report documenting that vehicles with restricted oil flow experience up to 15% power loss and significantly accelerated internal wear. S&P Global Mobility confirmed that the average American vehicle on the road today is 12.8 years old. 289 million vehicles in operation across the country, and the vast majority have never had an engine flush. That means hundreds of millions of engines are running with partially blocked oil channels right now, losing power, burning oil, grinding themselves down from the inside. The vehicles most vulnerable are those making frequent short trips where the engine never reaches full operating temperature. Without sustained heat, moisture cannot evaporate from inside the crankcase, and that trapped water accelerates sludge formation dramatically. Vehicles that sit parked for weeks at a time are even worse, because condensation builds with every temperature, swing between day and night. A study published in the SAE International Journal of Fuels and Lubricants found that short trip driving patterns can double the rate of sludge accumulation compared to highway driving at the same mileage. The irony is brutal. The people who drive the least often have the worst sludge problems, and the cost of ignoring it is catastrophic. Complete engine failure from oil starvation caused by sludge blockage can run $3,000 to $7,000 in repair, or it can mean a new engine entirely, all from a problem that a $3 bottle can prevent. Now here's what the mechanic is actually pouring into your engine when he charges you $500. The most common product used by professional shops is automatic transmission fluid, known as ATF. A single quart costs $3 to $5 at AutoZone, Walmart, or any auto parts store. ATF contains industrial detergents originally designed to clean hydraulic passages inside transmissions. Those same detergents dissolve engine sludge with remarkable efficiency. The second option is seafoam motor treatment, a product specifically formulated to break down carbon deposits, varnish, and engine sludge. A single can of seafoam costs $8 to $12 and is available at every auto parts retailer in America. Here's the part that should make you angry. This video is just the surface. I've collected everything the automotive and outdoor industries do not want you to know, all inside the complete Forbidden Camping Vault, the Forbidden Firecraft Manual, with techniques the military classified as dangerous decades ago. The Lost Rations Cookbook with preservation methods that work without refrigeration and without power. The complete off-grid. Blueprint for building systems that make you invisible to the utility companies. The 72-hour blackout checklist that FEMA tested and then quietly buried. Engine cleaning protocols that dealerships charge hundreds for and execute in 5 minutes. fuel system tricks that restore mileage, numbers your car has not seen in years, and a complete library of suppressed maintenance knowledge that the automotive service industry depends on you never finding. Over a dozen guides in one place. No filler. Straight to what works. The link is in the description. But stay right here. This video is just getting started. Now let me show you the exposed anatomy of this scam. When a Jiffy Lube technician performs an engine flush service, the documented procedure is exactly this. Step 1, remove the oil cap. Step 2, pour in 1 bottle of flush product that costs the shop between $3 and $12 wholesale. Step 3, start the engine and let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 4, drain the oil. Step 5, install a new filter and refill with fresh oil. Total labor time documented in their own service manuals is 15 to 20 minutes. Total material cost, including the flush product, 5 quarts of oil, and a filter is $35 to $45. The price on your receipt is $200 to $500. That is a profit margin of 80 to 90% on a single upsell. The technician at the counter is specifically trained to use fear language to push this service. They are coached to say your engine has heavy sludge buildup, and without the flush, you risk permanent damage. They recommend it strongly because it will extend the life of your engine. They frame it as convenient, saying, since you are already here, they can take care of it for just $1.99. Every one of those phrases comes from corporate upsell training scripts designed to create urgency from fear. Jiffy Lube, Valvoline Instant Oil Change, Pep Boys, Firestone, Midas. Every major chain offers engine flush as a premium add-on during routine oil changes. Search the phrase Jiffy Lube engine flush on any consumer forum, and you will find thousands of results. The subreddit Mechanic Advice alone has hundreds of posts warning consumers about this exact upsell. The Better Business Bureau has documented complaints from customers charged for flush services that were never actually performed. If you have made it this far, you already know more about what is inside your engine than 99% of car owners in America. Subscribe and share this with someone who is about to hand $500 to a technician for pouring a $3 bottle. Everything the industry buried is in the complete vault. The link is in the description. Now stay with me. The next vault is the heaviest. Let me explain why this information has stayed hidden for so long. The oil change service industry in the United States is worth over $11 billion annually, according to IBISWorld market research. There are more than 25,000 oil change businesses operating across the country. Engine flush add on services represent one of the highest profit margin categories in the entire automotive aftermarket. You cannot patent the act of pouring transmission fluid into an engine. You cannot trademark a 5-minute idle procedure. You cannot create a subscription model around a bottle that costs $3 and lasts for years. The entire engine flush service economy depends on one thing and one thing only. It depends on you not knowing what is inside that bottle. Because the moment you find out, the $500 service disappears. And what cannot be sold cannot generate revenue. And what cannot generate revenue cannot be advertised. And what cannot be advertised gets buried. This is not conspiracy. This is arithmetic. $11 billion in annual revenue requires customers. The simplest way to create customers is to make sure they never learn a $3 solution exists. Quick lube chains spend millions on advertising every year to position themselves as the only safe option for engine maintenance. Valvoline alone operates more than 1,700 service centers across the United States. Jiffy Lube has over 2,000 locations in North America. Every single one of those locations trains its front counter staff to push engine flush as a premium add-on. The messaging is calculated, professional service, factory-trained technicians, dealership-approved procedures. The language is designed to make the customer feel that engine maintenance is beyond their ability, that opening the hood of their own car is somehow reckless without professional supervision. All of it designed to make you believe that pouring liquid into an engine requires expertise you do not have. It does not. If you can pour gasoline into your tank, you can pour ATF into your oil cap. If you can check your tire pressure, you can idle your car for 5 minutes. The barrier was never skill. The barrier was always information. Now here's exactly what to do. Option 1, the ATF method for engines with moderate sludge buildup under 120,000 miles. Go to any auto parts store and buy 1 quart of automatic transmission fluid for $3 to $5. With the engine cold, remove the oil fill cap on top of your engine. Pour the entire quart of ATF directly into the oil fill opening, replace the cap, and start the engine. Let it idle in your driveway for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not drive the vehicle. ATF dilutes the oil and reduces lubrication capacity, so idling only is critical. After 10 minutes, shut off the engine. Drain the oil using the drain plug underneath the vehicle, the same way you would for a normal oil change. The oil that comes out will be black and thick with dissolved sludge. Replace the oil filter because the old filter is now saturated with loosened deposits. Refill with fresh oil at the correct weight specified in your owner manual. Total cost, $3 to $5 for ATF, $25 to $30 for oil and filter, $35 versus $500 at the shop. Option 2, the seafoam method for engines with light to moderate sludge, or for anyone who prefers a slower, gentler approach. Buy 1 can of seafoam motor treatment for $8 to $12. Pour half the can into the oil fill opening with the engine warm but off. Replace the cap and drive the vehicle normally for 30 to 60 miles over a day or two. The seafoam circulates through the oil system, slowly dissolving carbon deposits and sludge as you drive. After 60 miles, perform a complete oil and filter change. The dissolved sludge exits with the old oil. Total cost, $8 to $12 for seafoam, $25 to $30 for oil and filter. Under $45 for a result identical to the $500 dealership service. Now I need to be honest with you, because this is where most channels lose their credibility. Do not perform an aggressive flush on an engine with extreme sludge buildup, meaning vehicles with more than 150,000 miles that have gone years without regular oil changes. In severe cases, the sludge may actually be sealing internal leaks and worn gaskets. Removing that sludge suddenly can expose those leaks and cause more damage than the sludge itself. For engines in that condition, a gradual approach is safer. Use half a dose of seafoam, drive 500 miles, change the oil, and repeat 2 or 3 times over several months. Never drive the vehicle with ATF in the oil beyond 10 minutes of idling. The reduced lubrication can cause bearing damage under load. Always replace the oil filter during every flush. A saturated filter will recontaminate your fresh oil within days. And never perform a flush and then skip the oil change. Contaminated oil with dissolved sludge in suspension is worse than the sludge sitting still. For vehicles with over 200,000 miles and unknown maintenance history, consulting a mechanic is genuinely the right move. I'm telling you this because knowing when this works and when it does not is what separates real knowledge from reckless advice. When I tell you that the ATF method and the seafoam method have overwhelming evidence behind them for the majority of vehicles on American roads, you can trust that. Because I am not selling you anything. I am showing you what they have been selling you. 289 million vehicles on American roads. Average age nearly 13 years, the vast majority carrying years of accumulated sludge in their oil passages. Hundreds of millions of dollars extracted every year by quick lube chains for a service that requires a $3 bottle in 5 minutes in your own driveway. Your grandfather changed his own oil in the garage every 3,000 miles without asking anyone for permission. He knew what went into his engine, and he knew what came out. Somewhere between then and now, an industry worth $11 billion convinced an entire generation that opening the oil cap requires a certified technician. The mechanic did not invent this fix. He just made sure you never learned to do it yourself. The engine flush was never a technical service. It was an information gap dressed up in a uniform and a clipboard. That gap closes today. This knowledge did not disappear. It was waiting. Waiting inside a $3 bottle on a shelf you walked past 1,000 times. If this video opens something for you, subscribe and share it. Every subscription is a vault that cannot be locked again. Every share preserves what the industry spent billions making sure you would never find. The next vault opens soon, and what the automotive industry hid this time is even worse.